Sensibility and practicality define the 2022 Ford Edge. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, heated and ventilated seats, a power rear cargo door, and one-touch window functionality. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Come down to our dealership. Allow us to demonstrate our commitment to excellence.